Hi, I'm Joe from Joe's Paradise of Colour. Welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing some rolag making. So for this one, which I'm working on, I only need another 2 rolags to make it 100 grams. I find to get 100 grams you need to make 4 lots. I prefer to make 2 instead of 3. I find it's a much nicer, more condensed, but also gives a good amount to work with. So for this one, I need some 18 micron merino in nude. I'm using some beautiful recycled sari silk, a little bit of baby camel cashmere, Angora bunny and silk, and some Angelina. So first up, I'm going to apply my merino. I go up underneath with 1, squeeze that, move it down to the ledge, roll the other one in front, roll it, to about the center. Out there, lift it up, pull it towards you gently, and roll. Run your hands, roll it in between your fingers to fasten all those loose fibre. And gently take it off, and you've got a perfect rolag. You do it again. This is from my drum carder. Helps with picking up all the loose stuck threads and fibre. And make it nice and neat so nothing is wasted. And a little practice makes making these a lot easier. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.